Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Good morning. Good morning. Good day to you, sir. Good day to you, sir. Well done, keep it up. Well done, keep it up. I will call you later. I will call you later. What do you mean? What do you mean? I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon. Please give me your hand. Please give me your hand. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I did not understand. I did not understand. He is still not well. He is still not well. We both like each other. We both like each other. I don't know. I don't know. It is none of your business. It is none of your business. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. What is your problem? What is your problem? It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. Sorry for the inconveniences. Sorry for the inconveniences. What is going on? What is going on? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? How are you? How are you? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? What are your likes and dislikes? What are your likes and dislikes? I miss my parents. I miss my parents. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Come quickly. Come quickly. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Could you stay away from my stuff? Could you stay away from my stuff? I am sorry. I am sorry.